I know chronic pain can be debilitating, but the side effects of medications to relieve the pain over time can make you miserable. Am I right? And nature has provided us with some incredible superfoods that may help you to manage and even reverse the pain, inflammations, and discomfort. There are 10 superfoods I'm talking about in this video. And here is a mistake made by some people who uses them and don't see any difference. It's because they are not using the right amount and not using it on a regular basis and not using it right way. Adding a little bit here and there in your diet will not work. In order to get the best out of these medicinal properties from this powerful natural ingredient, you have to incorporate them into your diet on a regular basis. It's a lifestyle change. The right amount and the right way we will talk about in this video. And if you implement them, it will definitely make a significant difference in your pain level. I promise you. Now you should start using one superfood every week and add another one next week and then another one. So in next 10 weeks, you have added every single one of them in your diet on a daily basis and you will see their effect in a short amount of time. Remember, consistency is the key. Sounds good? Alright, before we proceed, if you don't know me, I'm Priti Patel. I'm a founder of Therapeutic Pain Relief and I combine nervous system retraining along with the therapeutic mobility for a long-lasting pain relief. Here are the 10 superfoods to consider. Number 1, turmeric. Turmeric is excellent for fighting inflammations, keeping the blood sugar level steady, easing the joint pain and stiffness. It's great for arthritis. It also helps to fight the cancer, slows down the Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. But here is a warning for you. If you use any kind of a blood thinner, anticoagulants, you need to check with your physicians before using it, okay? You can use them in a capsule or a powder form. I use it in a powder form and I use it not only in my Indian dishes but also in the Mexican and Italian dishes as well. So add it in your meals. Enjoy in a warm turmeric latte. The goal is to have at least 1 teaspoon a day, okay? The second one is the ginger. Ginger is another potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Do you know ginger has about 100 active compounds? It can alleviate sinus congestion, sore throat, and particularly effective in reducing the exercise-induced muscle pain. So steep a fresh ginger in your hot water with the mint and a lime juice for a soothing tea, or include in your stir fries or for zesty flavors. Bare minimum 1 inch by 1 inch of Q every day. Fresh is good. If you don't have a fresh, powder works as well. Okay. Number 3 is a cinnamon. The 2 main types of cinnamons are out there. Ceylon cinnamon and also that's called true cinnamon, and acacia cinnamon, which is most commonly available type. Now cinnamon is safe in small amounts only. Too much can be dangerous. Cinnamon, especially the acacia variety, has a high level of coumarin. The compound has been linked to liver damage when people consume too much of it. So cinnamon tolerant, usually you don't want to take it more than 1 teaspoon a day. Okay, because 1 teaspoon has about 7 to 18 milligram of coumarin, and that's about the adult dose you can have. So no more than 1 teaspoon of cinnamon per day. Now cinnamon has an anti-inflammatory properties that can also help you to lower your blood sugar levels. So either sprinkle it on your oatmeals or blend it in your smoothies or in any sweet or any kind of a baking you do. That's a very comforting spice. 4, green tea. Packed with the antioxidants called catechins. The green tea reduces inflammations and can be calming and pain relieving additions to your daily routine. Drink it hot or cold, but try to choose a high quality leaves for the best benefits. It's a great alternative to coffee and a black tea because it gives you that small amount of caffeine without making your nervous system jittery. Now, green tea appears to be beneficial for inflammatory health conditions like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, the Alzheimer's disease, gum disease, and even some cancers. Matcha flavors is highly recommended. Bare minimum 1.5 to 1 teaspoon every day. Number 5 is cayenne pepper. The capsaicin in a cayenne pepper not only heats up your dishes, but it's a natural pain reliever, and by diminishing the substance P that carries the pain messages to brain. It's hot and spicy. The active compound is capsaicin, and it can be used in topical applications. But when you consume the high-dose supplements form and apply topically, it may offer several health benefits, including pain relief, improve athletic performance, reduce your blood sugar. Bare minimum, half a teaspoon every day. But you can consume that in a high amount if you like, okay? Number 6 is garlic. Garlic has been found to have lots of medicinal properties to reduce the inflammation. The analysis of 17 high-quality studies, including 830 participants, lasted for 48 weeks, found that who took the garlic supplements significantly reduced their blood levels and inflammatory markers, CRPs. The more aged garlic is better for you, okay? Now use it to enhance the flavor of almost any dishes. It can be used for chopped, crushed, but the key is crushing it. Leave it for 10 minutes. This activates the beneficial compounds. The bare minimum, you want to use about 2 or 3 cloves a day. Number 7 is flax seeds. They're excellent source of alpha linolenic acid, ALA, type of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatories. They help to reduce the chronic inflammations, and that often leads to pain. So the lignans in the flax seeds releases certain pro-inflammatory agents. Daily dose, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds or 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil. You can add that in your oatmeals, smoothies, and muffins. Never heat up the flax seeds. You have to store it in the cool temperature because the heat destroys the active compounds in the flax seeds. So always keep it. You can add it in your smoothies which are cold, and even if you want to add it in your oatmeals, make sure you do it at the end when the oatmeal is cooled down a little bit. Never heat up the flax seeds, oil or the flax seeds. Okay. Number 8, walnuts. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids. They're great snack options for pain relief on the go, and they can be used chopped or added to your salads or desserts. About 5 to 7 walnuts a day. Number 9 is berries. Berries are full of antioxidants and vitamins. The anti-inflammatory effects can help to reduce the wide ranges of chronic pain issues. You need to incorporate the wide varieties of the berries and minimum 1/4 cup of berries a day. Number 10 is a cardamom. It's an expensive spices which found in the small pods that inside the black seeds with the impressive medicinal properties. Cardamom is rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin C, fibers, iron, zinc, vitamin B, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6. Talk about it. It's great for liver cleansing and detox. The 8-week studies in 80 people with the pre-diabetes found that taking 3 grams of cardamom usually reduced the inflammatory markers such as CRP, IL-6, and MDA compared with the placebo. Sweet and spicy flavors, great in oatmeals, banana smoothies, cookies, granola mix, ice creams. Half a teaspoon every day. I like it in my smoothies and oatmeals all the time, and the protein yogurts. Remember, while these superfoods can support pain relief and improve overall health, they are a part of holistic approach to pain management that includes the regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress reductions. Always consult with your healthcare professionals before making significant change to your diet, especially if you have chronic conditions. And include the superfoods in your diet and notice the difference in your pain level. Remember, a little change can go a long way towards improving the quality of your life.